Hello, this is Lori Osborne, founder of BizBolster Web Solutions, and I'm here today to show you how to set up a Facebook page for your business. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is you do have to have a personal account on Facebook in order to create a business page. So let's get started. Once you have your personal account and you log in, you will go to your home page. At the top, you will see a menu and Create as an option. Click on Create and then click on Page. Then you will see Business or Brand as an option. Click on Get Started. Here you have the business or brand name of your page. Now you want to have this page match your business name if at all possible. That way it's easy to find and associate with your business, especially if you have a brick and mortar business. Here I'm going to put test just for now. And then your category. You can enter any category that you know that you want to associate with your business, or you can just start typing and a list will show up. And this can be added to at a later time. But for now, I'm going to select women's clothing store. And then your address. You will want the address of your brick and mortar location, or if you don't have one, where you operate your business from. Now note, if you work from home or in a place that you don't want people to just show up, you can select Don't Show My Address, just show the city, state, and region. So here I'm just going to enter a test address for demonstration purposes. And then phone number. You definitely want to enter your phone number, even though it says optional, so that people can contact you, especially if they want to place an order with you and they want to do it by phone. Once completed, click Continue. Now the page is creating in the background. We just have to give it 1 second. Now that it is done created, it will ask for us to add a profile picture and then a cover photo, but we're going to hold off on that for now, and I'll show you why in a moment. So we're just going to click Skip and then skip again. And then the page will be displayed. Okay, now we have the beginnings of our business page. Now notice the first thing that's going to pop up is this notification how to invite your friends. Do not invite your friends just yet because you don't have a page for them to see and it will only be confusing to them. But it is just an information purposes. So go ahead and click X to close that out. And next we are going to add the photos that it just asked for. The reason I wanted to wait is I want us to be able to crop and manipulate so the picture looks the way we want it to. So here you want to click on Update and Upload Photo. There are no photos to choose from yet because there are none with this page, and it's not going to pull up your personal photos. So here we're going to do Upload Photo. I'm just going to add a photo I had selected. And then it's going to open up the cropping options. It doesn't give this option when you add the photo from when it was beginning a moment ago. So that's why I want to do it from here. So here I want to drag to reposition so that my face isn't all the way down here or up here, you know, etc. So I'm going to center the photo. Now let me note here. This should be your business logo or a product or something that will associate with your business. In my case, I want people to know what I look like for my business, and my logo will be my cover photo. It's really your personal preference, but when possible, you should use your business logo. Now you can also make this larger or smaller, whatever works for you. And then we click Save. Okay, now we're going to do the cover photo. Again, the cover photo should also be your logo or something from your business to represent your business and should be 820 by 312 pixels. If you need help creating that size or manipulating your image, I suggest going to Canva, C-A-N-V-A. It is an imaging software with some free options. All you have to do is go in and create an image for a Facebook cover, and it will automatically make it 820 by 312. So here we're going to add my cover, again, upload photos of 820 by 312. Now, when you're done with this, make sure you click Save. Okay, now we have our cover photo and our profile picture. Next, we're going to go to settings. The first thing on settings is page info. This is very important to get the information out there about you and your business. So here you'll want to add a short description of the business, what you sell, what you offer, any products, anything that would describe your business you'll want to put here and then click save. Any categories you want to add, you can add those here and then click save. Your phone number, if you didn't already add it, can go here. Your website, if you have one, can go here. Or if you don't have a website, you can click on My Page Doesn't Have a Website and save changes. You'll want your email here as well in case someone is more comfortable contacting you that way, or if you know that you check your email more often than your messages. And then your street address, especially if you have a brick and mortar location. And if you keep going down, your service area. So if you are a store that only does downtown Fernandina Beach, you may want to put Fernandina Beach or Yulee or Yulee, any of the surrounding locations. If you're nationwide, you can put that. I like to put anything that is going to increase my visibility. So I could list all of the places that I service so that they come up when people do searches. And then your select hours if you have them. And if you want, you can rank your price range by the dollar signs. Once your page info is complete, you can click on messaging. And you definitely want to set up a greeting on your messenger. That way, if someone sends you a message to your business page and you're not in front of your computer, they'll at least know that you received the message. So here you can see show a greeting, click on, and you'll see the message here that they are recommending. And you can click change and you can type in anything you want here. Now this little part that shows my name is the add personalization. And you can put first name, last name, full name, anything you want here. And it will pull up what they pull it up from their feed. And then you click save. There are other automatic responses as well. If you click on setup, it will go to those. These can get pretty in-depth. You can go into an away message, an instant reply, frequently asked questions about your business, specific responses to feedback. There's a number of things you can do here. Don't get too lost in it, but you might want to have some basic messages set up. So now I'm going to take you back to the main page for your business because I want to show you this. Here we have the list of pages that are currently available for anyone to access. Now, most of these items don't have anything on them yet, so we may not even want people to go to them. So next we're going to change these. Again, we click on settings and we go to templates and tabs. Here's where you see all of those pages listed. To change any of these, we can move them, we can rearrange them, we can turn them on, we can turn them off. For example, right now you may not be doing a lot of events with the coronavirus going on, so I'm actually going to turn that off and click save. I also think you should probably have offers at this time. So I'd like the offers to be more prominent. So I'm going to grab this and move it up under posts and make sure it's on. Now, if you have, you do add offers and you want people to see your offers tab, you can come back to this page and you can copy this URL and then you can send that out in email. You could put it on your personal page. There's a number of things you can do with this, so be aware that this is here. And there's reviews. You won't have reviews yet, so I personally would move this down for now until you start getting reviews on your page. Again, you can move these all you want. And I would move up the about, which you will need to fill in so that it shows up. And then maybe photos, so people can see pictures of your products. Okay, once all of that is done, We're going to go back to page. Now you see the order has changed to what we just made it. Here's another reminder for your automatic replies. I didn't turn them on, which is why it's still suggesting to do this. So the next thing I would do is set up those offers. So go to your offers tab, create an offer. Here you will have to add a photo of whatever product or offer you're doing. And then you can select, you can do a discount percentage, a discount amount, buy one, get one, buy X, get Y. In anything you want here, you can even customize it to change this to what you like. You can do a discount amount. You can also do a custom here. Add your short description and then your full description. And then if you have an expiration, you'll want it here. And then you must state if you want it online or in store. You can add a promotion code if you like. And then here's where that phone number comes into play. You can click on a number of options here. I would recommend doing call now or send message. Call now is going to be direct to your phone and be more advantageous when getting these online orders. Once all of this is done, you'll click publish. And then that's going to go to your offers page. So let's just run through this real quick. It does have to have a picture. I'm just going to add this picture for now just to speed this up. I'm going to do a 20% discount. I'm going to do a Fernandina Beach t-shirt. We're going to call that a women's sleeveless tee shirt with Fernandina Beach waves. Okay, we're going to say in store, in call now, and then I'll click on publish. Okay, now when we go to offers, we have an offer. And then if you were to go to settings again, and you went to that templates and tabs, and you go to offers, settings for offers, copy this URL, then we could go to our personal account and share that URL to see that offer. It's still going to show on this page, but it's just one way to promote that particular item. And then I would recommend just writing as many posts as you're comfortable with, but you absolutely want to offer a welcome post, something to just let people know that you're here, and maybe something about the virus and the situation. For example, you just might say, welcome to our business page. Please check out our offers. You may want to say gift certificates are also available by phone. Give us a call and stay well. Anything like that. Anything you want to say, just hit post and there it is on your posts and when anybody gets on your page. Now, you may notice here, this says your page isn't reaching anybody. You're doing all this stuff and it's not reaching anybody. Well, that's what we're going to take care of next. So if you go back to your home, well, or we just click on this, click on invite. Then I would recommend selecting everybody you know and send invites. Just click send invites. If you don't want to do that, you can unselect all and you can go through and select each person that you want to invite. And then click on send invites and it will go to them. Now also another thing to note here is you can do it this way and you can also send each invite in Messenger. And that will not only put it in their notifications, but it will also send them each an individual message in Messenger asking them to like and go to your page. And that is how you set up a Facebook business page. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at BizBolster Web Solutions. I would also notate here that your account that you set up is going to be set up here under facebook.com/whatever we set up. So for example, this is going to be facebook.com/test. So keep that in mind. And if you want to go to my page, it is www.facebook.com/BizBolster. And my phone number is here as well. Just give me a call at 904-417-7110. Have a great day and stay healthy.